Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on keyboard shortcuts in Gmail on your PC. Keyboard shortcuts can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency while using Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Step 2. On the top, click Settings. Look for the gear icon located at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Click See All Settings. A drop-down menu will appear after clicking on the gear icon. Select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Step 4. Next to Keyboard Shortcuts, click Keyboard Shortcuts on. Scroll down the settings page until you find the Keyboard Shortcuts section. You will see a toggle switch next to it. Click on the switch to turn on keyboard shortcuts. By enabling keyboard shortcuts, you can perform various actions in Gmail using simple key combinations, saving you time and effort. That's it. You have successfully turned on keyboard shortcuts in Gmail on your PC. Start utilizing these shortcuts to navigate and manage your emails more efficiently. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your Gmail experience on your PC. Happy emailing!